Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn off Instagram on your Pinterest app. We will go to figure out this solution or know how we can do that on your Instagram app. Or sorry, Pinterest app. We will just go to turn off Instagram on your app. All you have to do, you just go click here on saved. Then you come to your profile here, and you just go click here on app. Then it's going to show for you this window like you say. Then you just click here on settings, then you come to settings window here, and you click here on claimed accounts. Then you come to claimed accounts window here, and it's going to show for you like this, and you just click here on this mark in this color. And like you see now, you click here on the disconnect here, and it's going to disconnect on your Instagram. Now you turn off your Instagram on your Pinterest app. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you in next video.